St. Lawrence School was established in 1869 and has been a cornerstone of the Lawrenceburg community. The school has been providing a high-quality Catholic education for over 150 years. Our goal is to help each student find their unique strengths, build on those strengths, and obtain academic and personal success while exploring and nurturing the relationship with God.
Hi everybody, I'm Father Ben. I'm the pastor here at St. Lawrence. We love our faith. We love that this school is really about our parish. It's about Jesus Christ. It's about spreading the message of His love to the world, and every single day our kids get to experience that. Every day they're here, they are part of the family of Jesus and the part of our beautiful parish family as well.
We are creating 21st century learners who are prepared for their continuing education. Our new state-of-the-art STEAM Center offers our students a wealth of resources that supplement their education.
What I love the most about working here is the fact that we get to talk about Jesus, who is our most important teacher. We collaborate really well together to make sure that the students are getting exactly what they need. Other bigger schools, you definitely can't do that quite like what we can.
I'm Jackie Stecklin. I am the 3-year-old preschool teacher here. I am proud and excited as a preschool teacher to be a part of the kids' first experience with school. Both of our classrooms are just filled with so much love and a heck of a lot of play.
I mean, to every single individual that works at St. Lawrence School comes together for one mission and goes above and beyond to try and bring everything they can to every student each day.
With small classes and a strong family atmosphere, the students of St. Lawrence get individualized instruction and are a vital part of the St. Lawrence family.
Hi, I'm Rob Detzel, and I'm the principal at St. Lawrence School. What I love about St. Lawrence is the fact that we are a close-knit community, a close-knit family. When I got here, I knew that we had been a National Blue Ribbon School of Excellence, and I didn't come in promising that that's what we were going to do. That is one of our goals, but my first goal was that I wanted to learn the names of every single kid here at school. And just the fact that now I get to walk through the halls, greet the kids in the morning and say hello to each of them and know who they are and know something about them just makes this special, that the kids aren't just a number, they're not someone just on a sheet. They're kids that I get to know now, and they're a part of my extended family. I've been in Catholic education for over 28 years and worked in a lot of different places and have been so blessed. But St. Lawrence is home, and the community that we have here and the family atmosphere is what drew me here and is what's making me excited to continue to be the principal at St. Lawrence School.
This is our tradition and your future.